Hey sisters! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in the beauty world. The beauty world is always changing. Trends come and go, evolving with each season and influenced by cultural shifts, celebrity endorsements, and social media platforms. But some trends have staying power, you know? They resonate deeply and become timeless classics, cherished by beauty enthusiasts across generations. One of those trends is the clean girl makeup look. This trend has taken the beauty community by storm, championed by celebrities like Hailey Bieber, Zendaya, and Bella Hadid. It's been blowing up on TikTok, and for a good reason. The platform has become a hub for beauty innovation, with influencers and everyday users alike sharing their takes on this fresh, minimalistic look. This look is all about embracing your natural beauty. It's a celebration of your skin, your features, and your unique glow. We're talking fresh, radiant skin and minimal makeup. Think dewy finishes, subtle highlights, and just a touch of color to enhance rather than cover. It's perfect for everyday wear. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or just lounging at home, this look is versatile and effortlessly chic. And guess what? It's surprisingly easy to achieve. With just a few key products and techniques, you can master the clean girl makeup look in no time. In this essay, we'll break down the clean girl makeup trend step by step. From prepping your skin to the final touches, we've got you covered. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a seasoned pro, this guide will help you nail the look. We'll share tips, tricks, and product recommendations to make the process seamless. Get ready to embrace your inner clean girl. It's time to let your natural beauty shine through and feel confident in your own skin. So what exactly is the clean girl look? Imagine this flawless, glowing skin. Your brows are perfectly groomed. A touch of blush gives you a natural flush. Your lips, just a hint of color or maybe even bare. That's the essence of the clean girl makeup look. It's about looking put together without looking overdone. Think effortless chic. This look is all about enhancing your natural features, not masking them. The clean girl makeup look is perfect for anyone who wants to look fresh, radiant, and confident. It's perfect for school, work, or even a night out. It's super versatile. Why is everyone obsessed with the clean girl look? Well, for starters, it's super flattering on everyone. It works for all ages, skin tones, and face shapes. Plus, it's incredibly wearable. It's perfect for everyday life. You can easily dress it up or down depending on the occasion. But there's more to it than that. The clean girl look is all about embracing your natural beauty. In a world of heavy filters and Facetune, it's refreshing to see a trend that celebrates real skin and natural features. The foundation of any good makeup look is good skin, and that's especially true for the clean girl look. We want that natural, healthy glow. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt and impurities. Then follow up with a hydrating serum and moisturizer. Don't forget your SPF. Sun protection is crucial for keeping your skin looking its best. Exfoliate once or twice a week to slough away dead skin cells and reveal brighter, smoother skin. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Section 5. Minimal makeup for maximum impact. The clean girl look is all about minimal makeup. But that doesn't mean you can't use any makeup at all. We just want to use it strategically to enhance our features. Instead of heavy foundation, opt for a lightweight tinted moisturizer or BB cream. This will help even out your skin tone without masking your natural beauty. Use a creamy concealer to spot conceal any blemishes or dark circles. And set your makeup with a light dusting of translucent powder. Section 6. Bold brows frame the face. Brows are so important. They frame your face and can really make your eyes pop. For the clean girl look, we want brows that are groomed and defined, but not too overdone. Use a brow pencil or powder to fill in any sparse areas and create a natural-looking arch. Then, use a clear brow gel to set your brows in place. If you have unruly brows, you can try brow lamination. This treatment helps to tame your brows and keep them looking sleek and polished. Section 7. Achieving the clean girl glow. The clean girl look is all about that lit from within glow. To achieve this, we'll use a combination of blush and highlighter. Choose a cream blush in a natural shade like peach or pink. Apply it to the apples of your cheeks and blend upwards towards your temples. Then, apply a liquid highlighter to the high points of your face, like your cheekbones, brow bones, and Cupid's bow. This will give you that coveted, dewy finish. Section 8, Step-by-Step Clean Girl Makeup Routine. Today we're diving into the world of the clean girl makeup look, a trend that's all about looking effortlessly polished and naturally beautiful. This routine is perfect for those who want to enhance their features without looking overly made up. Let's get started. Ready to get the look? Gather your makeup essentials and let's begin this transformative journey together. Here's a step-by-step guide to achieving the clean girl makeup look. Follow these steps closely, and you'll be amazed at how simple yet effective this routine can be. 1. Start with skincare. Cleanse, tone, and moisturize your skin. Don't forget SPF. This step is crucial as it creates a smooth canvas for your makeup. A well-prepped skin ensures that your makeup lasts longer and looks more natural. Choose a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type, followed by a hydrating toner to balance your skin's pH levels. Moisturizing is key to keeping your skin plump and hydrated. And of course, never skip sunscreen to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. 2. Apply a lightweight base. Use a tinted moisturizer, BB cream, or light coverage foundation. The goal here is to even out your skin tone without masking your natural beauty. Opt for products that offer a dewy finish to keep your skin looking fresh and radiant. If you have oily skin, you might prefer a matte finish, but remember to keep it light. 3. Conceal where needed. Use a creamy concealer to cover any blemishes or dark circles. Dab a small amount under your eyes and on any spots you want to hide, then blend it out with your fingers or a brush. The key is to use just enough to cover imperfections without creating a cakey look. 4. Add a touch of color to your cheeks. Apply a cream blush to the apples of your cheeks and blend upwards. This gives you a natural, healthy flush. Cream blushes are great because they blend seamlessly into the skin, giving you a more natural look compared to powder blushes. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone for the best results. 5. Highlight for a dewy glow. Apply a liquid highlighter to the high points of your face. Focus on areas like your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and your Cupid's bow. This step adds dimension to your face and gives you that coveted dewy glow. Be sure to blend well to avoid any harsh lines. 6. Groom and define your brows. Fill in any sparse areas with a brow pencil or powder. Well-groomed brows frame your face and can make a huge difference in your overall look. Use light, feathery strokes to mimic the appearance of natural hairs, and set with brow gel. This will keep your brows in place all day and add a bit of extra definition. 7. Enhance your eyes, optional. Curl your lashes. This step opens up your eyes and makes you look more awake. And apply a coat or two of mascara. Choose a mascara that lengthens and volumizes your lashes for the best effect. You can also add a touch of neutral eyeshadow if you like. Stick to shades that are close to your natural skin tone for a subtle enhancement. 8. Keep lips natural. Apply a tinted lip balm, lip gloss, or lipstick in a nude or berry shade. The idea is to enhance your natural lip color without making it look too obvious. Choose a formula that keeps your lips hydrated and adds a hint of color. And that's it. Easy, right? With these simple steps, you can achieve a fresh, clean look that enhances your natural beauty. Remember, the key to the clean girl makeup look is to keep it light and natural. Have fun experimenting with these steps and make the look your own. Section 9. Tips to maintain your clean girl look all day long. Want your clean girl makeup look to last all day? Here are a few tips to help you maintain that fresh, dewy appearance from morning till night. First, use a setting spray. A setting spray will help to lock in your makeup and prevent it from fading or creasing. It's like a protective shield for your makeup, ensuring that your look stays intact no matter what the day throws at you. Make sure to hold the spray at arm's length and mist it evenly over your face for the best results. Second, blot away excess oil. If you have oily skin, keep blotting papers on hand to blot away any excess oil throughout the day. This will help to keep your skin looking fresh and matte without disturbing your makeup. Simply press the blotting paper gently against your skin, focusing on areas that tend to get oily, like your T-zone. Third, reapply lip product as needed. Lip products tend to fade throughout the day, especially after eating or drinking. To keep your lips looking luscious and hydrated, reapply your lip balm, gloss, or lipstick as needed. Choose a long-lasting formula for less frequent touch-ups, and don't forget to exfoliate your lips regularly to keep them smooth. And most importantly, remember to touch up with a smile. Confidence is the best makeup you can wear. A positive attitude and a bright smile can enhance your look more than any product. So carry a compact mirror with you for quick touch-ups, and don't forget to smile. Your confidence will shine through, making you look even more radiant.